Good day once again, everyone, and you are welcome to Mathematics Solution Center. Today we are going to be looking at a question that says a box contains 5 blue balls, 3 red balls, and 2 white balls. 2 balls are selected from the box with replacement. Find the probability of obtaining 2 blue or 2 red balls. According to the question, we have 5 blue balls. Red balls are 3 in number, while white balls are 2 in number. The total number of balls is 10. The probability of obtaining 2 blues, 2 blue balls, and 2 red balls with replacement. Probability of the first picking is blue is going to be the number of blue ball over the total number of balls. And the second picking is still blue. Don't forget we have replaced it, so there's no problem. What the probability remains the same. So it's going to be 5 over 10. Or is plus. Probability of red ball is going to be 3 over 10 times 3 over 10. 1 over 2 times 1 over 2, then plus 3 times 3, 9 over 10 times 10, which is 100. 1 over 4 plus 9 over 100. LCM of 4 and 100 is 100. 4 goes in 100 is 25 times 1, 25, plus 100 goes in 100 is 1. 1 times 9, 9. 25 plus 9, 34 over 100. This is the same thing as 17 over 50. Let's check the options and see which of them is the correct answer. Option A is our final answer. Thanks for watching this tutorial. We have come to the end of this tutorial. In case you have not subscribed, kindly click the subscription button now. Like this video, share it, at the same time, put on the notification button. Thanks and remain blessed.